Okay, so in this video, we will look at how to use the currency symbols in MS Excel. Right, so to use the currency symbol, you have to come to this Home tab. Under this Home tab, if you look in the Numbers panel, you'll see this dollar sign. So if I select a cell and click on this dollar sign, it will automatically insert the dollar sign every time I enter a value in this particular cell. For example, I've already clicked the dollar sign. Now if I press 2 and then press enter, you'll see that a dollar sign has automatically been inserted in this particular cell. Now, if you are looking to insert any other symbol, any other currency symbols, you can do so if you click on this drop down arrow. A list would pop up. Now this list contains common currency symbols. So if the symbol that you require is available, you can use that, and if it's not mentioned here, you can click on this more accounting formats, and once you click on the more accounting formats, this format cells tab, the dialog box, the format cells dialog box will open, and if you select accounting in the options present on the left hand side, you will get a drop down list of various symbols. So whichever symbol you require, you can choose your required symbol, your required currency symbol from this list, and then you can press OK. So this is how you can add the currency symbols in your calculations if your data is related to any currency analysis or currency conversions, or it has to do anything with currency. This is how you can insert or make a cell to automatically insert your required symbol into that particular cell.